Hi, welcome to the video where I will be teaching you how to create an app or a website with Fire Studio. So in this video, you're going to learn how the AI help build their work and how the Firebase Studio will take you through how to guide you all the steps, how you can build a new project, how to build an app with AI. No code or app development are needed. You don't need any idea. So as you can see, you just head to the website, Fire Studio, Firebase.Studio. Okay, so once you come here, you're going to see the same interface where I'm having here which says the full stack AI workspace. You can see Firebase Studio accelerate your entire development and life skill with AI agents, build backend, front end, and mobile app in all one place. So you can go ahead. You're going to see how it works, and you can see what do you want to build, and that is the question to you as well. So you first of all you need to have an idea what you want to create, what you want to uh, what app or website you want Fire Studio to build for you. So as you can see, uh, get to work quickly wherever you are. So and that is it. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, after you head in here, you're going to come here. You're going to see this on the top at the left hand corner, the right hand corner here. So you're going to click on get started. So it's opening. So you're going to wait, let it open. So you need to create an account if you don't have, and if you have, just as you click get started, it's going to take you through. So I have not created an account here, so I'm going to accept the terms and conditions, and I'm going to accept I want to receive email update as well. If you don't want, this is not necessary. The most important one is the terms and conditions you need to accept. So let me confirm and let's wait. Okay, so as you can see, this is my Fire Studio the page where I'm going to ask Fire Studio to build something for me. So I think I have requested ChatGPT to give me an idea. So here I have the idea because I asked which type of app it is allowed or any kind of app. So here is the idea it comes up with. So let me go with this. I want the Fire Studio to write the code for me for social and chat app. So let me go here and yes. So let me also say okay. Let me put the post up. Okay, the the name of the app is the Kelo Kelo the Kelo. That is also. Let me see if it can. Let's wait a minute while it create the project for us. So as you can see, it's working behind the scene. So as you can see, the Fire Studio is working. Okay, so it's going to open the. So as you can see, it's still working through the process. Okay, as you can see, yes, it's coming up. Yes, as you can see, yes. So as you can see, it's going to use blue color, white color, and uh, what is this color name? Just put only up the code. Okay, teal color. This is the code here. It has all the code. So if you don't want, you can change. Let me check here first. You can check because it will write all the things it will do for you. So if you don't like this color, you can change the color. You can go and find the code color here and change it yourself. So I think let me see what the core pictures. User file profile. User can create profile with names and profile pictures. Real-time chat functionality. Post comment system. Users can create and view post and comment on them. Post, okay, and likes and follows. Users can like, post and follow other users. Okay, so let me leave it as it is. So if you don't like it that way, so you can do some other changes. So as you can see, maybe I want to add payment and so on. So this is where you can do such. So let me say it's okay and let's start building. So as you can see, the code is generating. Okay, so you need to wait a moment while it uh, build all the things for us. So as you can see, we are watching, the magic from Fire Studio. Okay, from the Fire Studio, all the magic happened behind. So as you can see, the name which I give the Kelo, it has now added connect to Kelo Connect. So which you can understand that the app understand what I am asking. Uh, I'm asking from them. I'm asking to create a chat or a social app, and which is knows that yes is a connect, place. So somehow, so it's still working. Okay, let's wait and see. Okay, yes. So as you can see, yes, it's still generating. Yes, it's still working. Okay, all the background color, the sidebar, the chat. You can see, yeah, it's building. AI has make it so easier for developers to do work in a shorter time, in a shorter period of time. This kind of a project before, this has to take you month and month. Some projects takes almost a year, but now can you can do projects in less than 1 week, some 2 days, 1 day, because you need to go step by step, even with the AI. But that will not waste much time because you're going to follow the steps so that you won't rush. You can't just build the complete big project at once, to avoid confusion and tampering with some of the things. So you have to take it step by step. You need to know what you're going to ask the AI to implement. So much work. That's what you're going to do step by step. As you can see, we're still waiting. It's still waiting. You can see the user. Yes, it's also linking. Yes, the pages, sign up pages, login pages. That you can see the posts as well. You can see all the pages sign up. Yes, you can see all all for free for us. Firebase Studio is doing everything for us. So let's just wait and see. Let's wait. So as you can see now, the project is working good. But from here, what I did was to go to Firebase firebase.google.com. You can see the console. So which you need to link because of the user that will be creating an account, that is for the Firebase. So here, this is where I came to put all the details. So Now from here, let me check. So this is where we're going to link the app. I need to also confirm the user registration here. Okay, I need to go to under authentication, so that users can sign up easily. So let's check. Okay, so for the authentication, let me take you through. So you need to, let me close this. Okay, so here, I need to activate Google sign up, so that users can sign up while using Google, so can save the changes. Okay, so users can use Google to log in. So we also have to select another option. Yes, it's okay. So let me still add one more. The users can sign in by their email address or phone number. Then by email address, yes. Okay, so here email link, password sign, no. So no need to send any. Okay, let me add again. Maybe okay, let me add any must to the sign as well for the testing purposes. So okay, so now I'm trying to connect my app with the database. So as you can see, okay, it's connected now. So let me refresh the site and see if it's working. So as you can see now, the app is working correctly. So let's that is, if you want to publish, this is where you may need to pay for your hosting. Okay, so that is how it works. So the project is complete, but I okay, let me see. Yes, so let me try sign up. I think Google should be able to show up. Let me see. Okay. Okay, so it didn't show up, but it's asking me to create an account. Let's test this and see. As you can see, let me